Again and again, withdraw from the noise of the mind, not interested in analyzing, not interested in chit chat, just being in that awareness, withdrawing, being in that silence. You'll have to make that effort. Make that effort of withdrawing from noise. All this noise in the mind comes from ego. We just read the sentence. Everything comes from the ego. Withdraw, withdraw, withdraw. Make it a practice to be silent. You'll get your answers only there. All answers will come to you, and only your answers can satiate you. Ekta's answers will never satiate you. Have you understood this till today? Whoever gave you an answer, whatever highest pedestal you have put that teacher on, still a doubt comes in your mind about him. Does it or does it not? Very simple. Somebody else's answer will never satiate me. What can satiate me? My own experience. So I'm taking you there now. Drop. Get to experience. Find your own answer. You'll get your answer. Yeah? You're saying, I want my answer right now. You're not there yet, no? If you were there, you would have gotten it. Make an effort to practice this being and experiencing. You want ready-made answers also, and you want to doubt that ready-made answer also. It's having the cake and eating it too. You're never going to get there. Forget about it. Try next lifetime. Ta-ta.